How to block bad videos in YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block bad videos in YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can then head over to the bottom right corner on your U page. Then tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. After you've done that, you can scroll down and what you'll find is an option that says your general. Tap on general, and after you're on general, there you'll find an option that says restricted mode. Simply tap on restricted mode and apply it. After doing that, you won't be getting any bad videos on your YouTube anymore. And it's basically that simple to do so. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.